Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use LUTs in Filmora 12 and how to use two LUTs on one video to make new LUT. Let's start today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, do hit the like button and comment your views. As you can see, I have this normal footage. To apply LUTs, go to the color, click on preset drop down menu and then click on load 3D LUT. Then download my LUTs pack from Patreon, link is in the description. Select first LUT and open it. Scroll up and select recently added LUT. Now you can see the difference. Now to make it more cinematic, go to the HSL and adjust HSL according to your video color. Like adjust orange HSL, then adjust yellow HSL, then cyan color and then purple color. Then go to the curves and adjust it according to the need. Then go to the basic and adjust the exposure, brightness, contrast, vibrance and saturation. Then adjust the highlight, shadow, white and black. This is a kind of all-in-one LUT which you can use on your day shoots video or on your evening shoot footages. Now when you increase the blue curve towards the blue side, you will see the different color in your footage. In same way, if you change green curves towards purple side and blue curve to normal, then you will see another evening shot color. In same way, import another LUT and apply it. You can see the difference. These all are premium LUT which can help you to make your shot more cinematic. Now let's see how to use two LUTs on one video. Import orange tail LUT. Go to the HSL and adjust HSL accordingly. You can see the difference. Now select my LUT 01. As I said, you can use this one on your day shoots or evening shoots. You can see the difference. Then apply adjustment layer and go to the color on adjustment layer and select Alat LUT and you will see the difference. It will convert your footage into vintage look. In same way, you can use as many as LUT on your single video. So guys, this is how you can use two LUTs on a single video in Filmora. Download this LUT pack from www.patreon.com/abplanet and give your video cinematic look and fresh look. It is a single LUT pack for your day or evening shots. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.